This activity relates to a right circular cone. The objective of this activity is to form a cone from a sector of a circle and then to find the formula for its curved surface area. Let's study the concept in hand first. So if you draw any cone, you know a cone is in this shape where the base is circular and it has a radius r. It has two more dimensions, its vertical height like this and its slant height, the slanted portion like this. So if you know the radius and the slant height of the cone, you can find the curved surface area of the cone using the formula pi r L. And this is what we are going to derive in this activity. We are going to make a cone from a sector of a circle. So this is a two-dimensional shape which I am drawing. This is a sector. So it was a complete circle. I have cut a part of the circle which is known as a sector. So if you fold this sector along half and then open the base, it will become the shape of a three-dimensional object called cone. We can actually find the surface area or the curved surface area of this cone using this activity. Let's see what is the material required for doing this activity. We need acrylic paper sheets, geometry box, scissors for cutting work, sketch pens, nails and sellotape for pasting. Let's see how we can perform this activity now.
Do you know how you can make a shape like this, which is a cone? You can use the sector of a circle to make a cone, just like this. You can cut a sector of a circle like this and then fold it into half along the radii like this and open it from the bottom to make a cone. Look at this. This gets converted to the base and the radius of this sector gets converted into the slant height of the cone. Now these are some basic things which you have to remember for performing this activity. After having cut the sector, you have to cut the sector into smaller pieces, and these are the 4 pieces which I have already cut from this particular sector. If this sector was a semicircle, then there will be greater number of pieces, and if this is a circle, then even more greater number of pieces like this will be obtained. When you arrange all these pieces in this form, one of them has to be inverted like this. Keep on arranging all the pieces. I have taken only 4 pieces, that's why the shape is looking like this. But when you take larger number of pieces of the entire circle, this will be more like a parallelogram or very closely resembling a rectangle. The half of the circumference of the circle will be on the top and the other half will be at the base. So if you consider the circumference of the base as 2 pi r, then pi r is this length and this radius gets converted to slant height L, and therefore the area of this is pi r times L, which is pi r L, and the same area got converted into the curved surface area of a cone, and therefore the curved surface area of a cone is pi r L, and that completes our activity on lateral surface area of a cone.